Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the number in this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids! Now let's go to the grammar question. Get ready for your quiz. Use of adjective in the sentence. She is a dash girl. The correct answer is, she is a kind girl. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. It is a dash house. The correct answer is, it is a big house. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. She has a dash bag. The correct answer is, she has a small bag. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. The dash ball is mine. The correct answer is, the red ball is mine. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. The dash boy is my brother. The correct answer is, the tall boy is my brother. Excellent job, kids! Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Link in the description. The dash dog barked loudly. The correct answer is, the big dog barked loudly. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. She wore a dash dress. The correct answer is, she wore a blue dress. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. It was a dash day. The correct answer is, it was a sunny day. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. He is a dash teacher. The correct answer is, he is a kind teacher. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. I saw a dash car. The correct answer is, I saw a fast car. Excellent job, kids! Hey, superstar! Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below. Choose the correct sentence. She is a girl, or she is a happy girl. The correct answer is, she is a happy girl. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. The ball is bounce red, or the red ball is bouncing. The correct answer is, the red ball is bouncing. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. Please like and subscribe to the channel. You have 10 seconds. Now move to the next question. He has a body, or he has a strong body. The correct answer is, he has a strong body. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. It is a painting, or it is a beautiful painting. The correct answer is, it is a beautiful painting. Excellent job, kids! Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by Planet Spark.